Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you and teach you how you can connect your account on Google Drive with your account on the Workona browser extension. So let us dive into this. So guys, navigate to the Workona browser extension, for example on Google Drive. Navigate to your space here to the left. Let me go with that one here, My Tabs Example 1, and click into the Resources tab here. So as you can see guys, I created already a Google Drive folder here inside that space so that I may access that folder directly and, for instance, save files like Google Docs, Google Sheets in it, to have them also linked directly to that space here if I, for example, need them for a specific project related to these tabs inside that project or space. So this is how you can do it, guys. Navigate to the Resources tab, click into this button here, create Google Docs, Sheets, Slides and more. Select new Google Drive folder. Now guys, what I did was I logged into my Workona account with the same Google/Gmail account as on Google Drive, because that makes it easier to link both accounts. So once it's done, click into this file here, into that button of course, and select your parent folder on your Google Drive account. By clicking into the drop-down menu, you may select a folder from there. I will go with My Drive and create a new folder inside that location here. You may select the space here, enable also saving to space, so that your folder will also be saved here inside that Resources tab. And that's basically it. Give your folder, of course, a name here at the top. So let me go with Workona example folder 2, because I have already created one, and click into this button. And that is going to redirect you directly to that example folder here on Google Drive. And now you can, for example, upload files or folders to that folder here, and it will be automatically connected to that folder here, so that you may, for example, simply click into it by clicking to open, or any of your team members here that need access to these project resources, to gain access to that shared folder here on Google Drive, and to use the uploaded documents from there for their projects. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.